YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. This is coming from DESLOC. Check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Now we're about to see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And YouTubers, you can get them now. They have sales going on. And all their goodies they have to offer. So if you don't like this item, see what other items they have to offer. But this will be great for your home, your small business, any room in your house that want to be locked up. And then here we go. This is going to be a Deadbolt smart keyless entry. You can use the keys or your RF card or your thumbprint. But amazing technology coming from DESLOC. B200 smart fingerprint Deadbolt. Emergent power supply fingerprint. 6 ways to unlock power supply auto lock. Yeah, this thing is easy to set up. I'm waiting probably during the week to have it installed. I'm not an expert at installing this, but I know how to set up the app and all that stuff. That's one thing you might want to do, is set it up first before you install. It'll be a lot easier. And there we go. It is waterproof, IP54, and it comes with 4 AA batteries. And we got the black version. And now this thing right here, Smart Lock Gateway, I do believe it's separate purchase. This thing is a good thing to have also. It goes well with your DESLOC. And just click on the link. Make sure. I don't think they have bundles going on, but you never know. Definitely check out the link down below though. But easy to set up with the gateway. That will be shown in this video too. And we're gonna, do this basic setup, install and stuff like that. Probably during the week. But right now, let's go to the setup time. Here we go. So this comes with the good old manual. And then there we go. And also the template to figure out the drill. And here's back. And then now, here comes the goodies. Oh, get a little jammed in there. Don't eat that. And then now here's a unit. Here's the other part. Box of goodies. And the batteries. Sorry about that. And AA. And a AA. Here we go. On to the next. Here's the Deadbolt. Has a nice black matted finish. There's a reset key back there. See? Click, click. We good. And then now, here is the main one. This has a fingerprint, the RF card, and a keyhole. Make sure you peel off the sticker right here. Boom. We got that right there. See, the RF card is in the middle. There's a lock. Fingerprint. Like I said though, this is really simple to set up. But if you got older folks, just set it up for them. Except for the fingerprint, you're going to need to use your finger for setup. And then now here we go. We got the keys in here. And the other accessories that you need for the process to start. So you get, I think, 2 RF cards, 4 sets of keys. And then there we go. We got some brackets, some other stuff. I don't know what that's called. But we got the screws in here. More screws. More screws. Yeah, my finger's a little dirty. Don't mind that. Here we go. We got those there. And now, here's RF card number 1. The one came out of the package. There's number 2. So you get 2 of them. And those are easy to set up. And they have 4 sets of keys. So I mean, it'd be perfect for your house, small business, or anywhere that you need to be locked or have your door locked, you know? I wish to say I had this when I was a kid. But there we go. Sorry about that. Smart way, easy to set up. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. There's going to be an app to download. So, and the app is going to be there. It's going to be TT Lock. That's what it's called on your iOS and Android. So there we go, TT Lock. Quick install, all safe, no viruses, no nothing. Just an easy install. A lot of cool features on this app. So, yeah, definitely a nice piece of technology to own for your home. And we're moving on to the next. Give me 1 second right about now. And look at that. We got the gateway going. I just got to select the gateway. Give it a second to load. Put you down right there. And now we have here connection. Give it a second. Bada boom, bada bing. We got this downloaded. Everything's running. See, that's a good sign. Now we're going to put the batteries into the Deadbolt like that. And then cover the lid. Boom. We're going to plug it in. Let it start up for a second. And here we go. We're moving. It's going to take a second to do its thing. It's going to give you a whole welcome speech for a second. And then it's going to... Oh, I went too fast there. Sorry about that. Yeah, everything's great though. This thing... There we go. Gotta hit the finger hole. And then now... Bada boom. There's the lock. Let's go load it. Connecting to it. Should do a little magic trick any second. And here we go. See? There we go. Success. It's a good thing. And then, like I said, this is simple, easy to touch, easy to set up, and definitely a nice one from DESLOC. This is a DESLOC P200. And then here we go. See, they got options. Which way you're going to have your door. So that's up to your installer or yourself. If you know what you're doing, you know. Just select it and give it a second to load up. And then we're almost done here. And then next we're going to do the fingerprint RF cards. And that's about it for this video. Alright. Okay, now it's time to set up the RF cards. Hit that. Add new card. Click that. Stout card. 1. End time should be later than start time. End start time. End time. We'll do it 59. There we go. End time. Hit OK. There you go, 2060. Hopefully I'm still around by then. That'd be great. Now it's connecting.
Please swipe your card.
Not sure if I did it right. There we go. Oops, we'll try it again. I heard the beep.
Please swipe your card.
Oh, come on.
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
There we go. Yeah, we got it. Now see, it says stop card 1. There we go. And I can see everything's set up right there. And let's go. Ah. And now, like I said, add a card. Just grab another one. RF card. Add card. Stop card. Space 2. Oops. Choose end time. We'll do 58. There we go. Hit OK.
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
There we go. See that? Now we got both cards activated. This is cool. Now we're getting somewhere. And then now what else do we need? Fingerprint. Add fingerprint. End time will be 2006:59. That's still a lot of time. Stop print. Now I just gotta figure out what door and where I'm gonna install it. So it's gonna tell me you will be required to place your finger to the sensors several times. Oh boy.
Locked.
Oh, this one.
Operation failed.
Oops. We hit start. That might help.
Please press your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
There we go. That was easy. Now you can always change it. Ah, sweet. So we know everything works. Keys. That's Avi. Let's stick it in the hole. Oops. There we go. So you got a lot of choices here, guys. We'll be back. Whoa. Alright, take it easy. Be safe.